Hi and welcome to this week's video. Today I'm going to be doing a Valentine's Day project. I think you're going to like it, so stick around. To start this project, you're going to want to grab some sticks from your yard. I gathered these this morning. Then you're going to need a glue gun and lots of glue sticks. I got this small canvas and this small picture frame from the Dollar Tree. You'll need some small paintbrushes and your choice of acrylic paints. This color is Portrait Light by Folk Art. Also using the color Golden Brown by Craftsmart. I painted the entire canvas with this color, and don't forget the edges. I applied 2 layers of the Portrait Light color. Once it dried, I sanded the edges and the corners to give it a rustic look. I took this picture of my daughter and I on my phone, and I have an app where I added the heart border and I printed it to size to fit the frame. I pulled the cardboard piece off of the back of the frame so it will lay flat against the canvas. Now I'm going to hot glue it to the canvas. Now I'm just breaking pieces of the sticks up and I'm placing them around the frame till I get the desired look that I am looking for. I decided to use dark gray by Craftsmart instead of the golden brown because it matched the sticks a lot better. The reason why I'm doing this is because if there are any areas of the canvas that you will see between the sticks, it will blend right in. After the paint dries, then it's time to start gluing the sticks in place. Once you get it to the desired look you are looking for, then it's time to clean all of the strands of glue off. A hair dryer is a great help for this too. And of course, I changed my mind again and I painted the frame with the dark gray color so the frame would blend in a little bit better with the sticks. It's okay if the underneath color shows through a little bit. It just gives it more depth. If I had to do it all over again, I would just use the dark gray color, but I have to admit, I like a little of that pink showing through. Now it's time to clean the glass and get ready for the last step, the flowers. These are cherry blossoms and roses. I found them at the Dollar Tree. Now I'm just placing the flowers in different positions and groupings to see which way I'm going to like it before I glue them in place. I think it's perfect. Now it's time to glue everything in place. I absolutely love the way this project turned out. I love how the flowers give it a pop of color and they also pull out the colors in the picture. I hope you liked this project. Thank you so much for hanging out and watching. If you have any ideas, suggestions, comments you would like to see in my next video, please leave that below. Until my next video, see ya.